There he goes.
Wow.
That's awesome.
Holy shit.
Backwards.
Whoa! That's like jumping. Oh shit! I love it.
There, video, smile.
Oh my god! It felt like jumping.
Yeah, it did.
Oh.
So I pause it.
I get some video of this. Oh my god!
That's a way down.
Hi folks! Holy shit! I have nothing under my
I think we're heavier than the people behind us because we're totally forward.
Hi!
There you go. Get a little side view of you over there. There.
I'm on top of the world, Mom! Literally. I can see the top of that. Well, I can see a higher level of it where I am.
This is...
Wow, high.
Told you. In a jerk.
That's a completely different experience going one direction than going the other.